Well, it's that time again. It's time to take a look at the subscription box that I think has the coolest box of all, the Apoca box. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me, and thanks to the folks at Apoca Box once again for sending me one of their bi-monthly boxes to show it to you. And as I said, I think they have the coolest box of all the subscription boxes. You know, they got some cool designs, and they always got cool colors. And Creek Stewart's little saying, it's not, remember, it's not if but when. So anyway, I just think they're cool boxes, and it's my pleasure to show you this one. So this is the April 2020 box, and we're going to take a look and see what's in here right after this word from one of our sponsors. This video is sponsored by my friends at clickbelts.com, where you can save 15% by using the coupon code SOP15 at checkout. ClickBelts feature genuine Cobra buckles, and they are sewn right here in the USA in the great state of Texas. They've even got the really cool TSA-friendly Poly Cobra buckle now. So if you're looking for a very, very strong, very cool belt, I encourage you to check out the folks at clickbelts.com. Don't forget, use the coupon code SOP15 to save 15%. Okay, we are back. Thanks for hanging around. I try to make those sponsor spots short and sweet, but you know, got to pay the bills here, right? So anyway, again, this is the April 2020 Apoca box, and if you're not familiar with Apoca box, it is a subscription box that bi-monthly, so every other month, and you get a really cool surprise box in the mail. And as I've said this over and over, I'll keep saying it. In my opinion, I guess the attraction of Apoca box is not so much that you get a certain amount of stuff at a discount, as it is that there's just usually some unique stuff. There's always a skill challenge or something in there. Anyway, I'll stop rambling. Let's get down to the old stump top now and get to doing some of that Apoca box stuff. Okay, so here we are at the old stump top. I'm going to take a look at the April 2020 Apoca box now. And like every month, you got a nice little brochure here that tells you what all's in the box, and then also talks a little bit about the skill challenge that's in this month's box, and there's some links to some videos that'll help you with the skill challenge and some other things in here too. So let's just get down to it now. The first item we're going to talk about is this Boyer's Hawk, and this is a kind of a very, very unique, one-of-a-kind item from the folks at Reptile Tool Works, and we've seen some other stuff from them before in the Apoca boxes. And this is just a very basic tool, but it's designed to help to make a bow by hand. And this is the only place you can get this. So this is just a very basic tool, but again, this is some pretty cool stuff that Creek comes up with for Apoca box. And so also you can learn to make a bow for under 10 bucks if you just go to there's a link in here that tells you how to get to the Hank's course. So that's pretty cool. Then the next thing in here is Apoca box publishing the Bug Out Survival Vest. Is one of the Creek's pocket field guides. I've got several of these. I really like them, and it just talks about how to make a bug out vest, and it's got a lot of cool ideas and pictures and details in there for that. The next item is something that's really cool and really handy, and I had not seen this before. It's an Absorbit's wet cell phone rescue pouch. And what this is for is, like, you know, if you drop your phone in the water, then, you know, you can put it in a bag of rice and that'll work. But this is just, you can take care of this with you. And this does the same thing as a bag of rice. It's going to help draw the moisture out of it. So that's pretty cool there. Then there's there's a bunch of stuff in this month. There's a spaded, they call this the Spaded Heart self-defense tool, and it's just a force multiplier. It's got a breakaway neck lanyard with it. You can wear it around your neck if you choose to do so. And it's basically, if you have to defend yourself, it's just aluminum. It's going to allow you to increase the force and not break on your knuckles to one little point. So you could put a hurting on somebody with that. It says it doubles as a bottle opener. I guess you could. I don't know how you would do that, but I don't really use bottle openers very much. So there's that. So that's the Spaded Heart. Pretty cool. Then there is a really neat handmade front pocket stash leather wallet from Shankle Homestead Leather, and again, nothing fancy, but just a little front pocket thin wallet. I like front pocket wallets because that's kind of what I use. Got an outside pocket here and a little pocket here. So yeah, again, just another little unique item that I think is very handy and very cool. So there's that. And then two more things. This month there's a pair of Fiskars. bypass pruners, which are really nice. I could have used these the other day because I was doing some pruning around the yard. So very nice there, always handy for whether you're doing yard work or you're hunting, clearing some shooting lanes, or anything that you need to trim some small branches with. And then finally, this month's skill challenge is to make a natural cordage bowstring, and so it's got some like jute twine here and some wax. I think that's wax, and I don't know what kind of wax. And then you can go to the video link, and there'll be some videos helping you with that. So that is this month's Apoca box. That's April 2020. I gotta say, I think it is pretty cool. Okay, well that is April 2020 Apoca box, and like I've been trying to do in all these subscription box videos, just want to pick out a couple of items I thought were especially cool from the box. This time it's a little more difficult. There's a few things I thought were pretty cool. First of all, I really think the wet phone rescue pouch was really cool, and this is not something that's like fits the normal theme of Creek's boxes, because it's not really about crafts or skills or whatever, but I think this is a really cool thing to have, because how many of us have gotten our phones wet? And a couple of other things I really liked. I like this little front pocket wallet. It's just very simple but very functional, and it doesn't take up a lot of room, really thin. I like that. And I thought the little spaded heart was pretty cool too. So anyway, if you're interested in exploring this further, I'll put a link in the video description below. I think Creek Stewart, you may recognize the name from Fat Guys in the Woods. He's an Eagle Scout, a really nice guy, and I really enjoy reviewing these boxes every month. So again, thanks to the folks at Apoca Box for sending me these boxes every month so I can show them to you. And as always, thank you for watching Survival on Purpose. And I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my weekly email newsletter at survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe. Every week I'll send you links to the previous week's videos. Plus, this year we're doing some special stuff just for the subscribers. So if you want to get in on that, I invite you to subscribe. So I really appreciate your support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.